Hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to solve all of your doubts regarding the video which I uploaded, that is how to change the gear oil of your two-wheeler scooter. In that video, everyone is commenting that there's no gear oil. What is the use of gear oil? Can we use engine oil instead of gear oil? And so many questions are there, so many doubts are created over here. So without any further ado, I'm going to solve all of your questions. So first and the most common question is, what is the gear oil and what is the use of it? So gear oil is as same as your engine oil, but of different viscosity and of a different use. Gear oil is used to lower the friction between the gears and the all other different moving parts present in the gearbox of your two-wheeler scooter. It is not as same as the engine oil. It is totally different. It is of different viscosity and of different grade. It is meant for gears and to be used in the gears. And yes, two-wheeler scooters have gear oil. Next question. So next question is, can we use engine oil instead of gear oil? No, you can't use engine oil as your gear oil, because engine oil is totally different from your gear oil. Engine oil is meant for engine and gear oil is meant for gears. They can't be mixed together. Second question, the most common one is, can we use engine oil flush or petrol or diesel to clean the engine compartment totally? No, it is not necessary or not required to clean unless and until your two-wheeler has ran over like 70, 80, 90,000 kilometers. If your vehicle is crossed 80 to 90,000 kilometers, then you can think of using engine oil flush. Below that, you really don't need it. Next is, which gear oil? There is a class of gear oil which is SAE 90. This is the gear oil which I used and I prefer to use in two-wheeler scooters, not in other, right? Or of same class and category. One more common question is, difference between engine oil and gear oil. See, lots of difference are there. Gear oil is more viscous, engine oil is less viscous, and there are lots of difference. What do you have to do with it? You just use engine oil in engine and use gear oil in gear, but they both are different and their composition are different and they are of different use. Engine oil is used for dissipating the heat generated in the engine, and gear oil is meant for decreasing the friction in the gearbox and making your engine and gear work smoothly. This is the basic difference between both of these oil and the function of it. Next question. Another common question is the quantity of gear oil. 120 ml is the exact and right quantity written in your manual of scooter. If you wanted to be more precise and more sure, refer to your owner's manual. Everything is written over there. Next question is that what is the size of bolt of gear oil, engine oil and everywhere. So let me tell you, Honda uses only 12 number or 12 size of the bolt in all of their scooters, in every single part of their vehicle. One more common question is, after how many kilometers you should change your gear oil? See, you should change your gear oil in every 5 to 7,000 kilometers, or I would say you can change it whenever you are changing your engine oil. If you change your engine oil in the interval of 5 to 7,000 kilometers, then you should change it with the engine oil. You can change both engine oil and gear oil at once. So these are the few common questions people are having with them. I hope I have solved all of your questions and queries. If you have few more doubts or anything regarding two-wheeler scooter or automobile or anything, you can comment down below. Or for instant and quicker replies, you can follow me in any social media. All the links are available in the description box below. तब तक के लिए